want to try the Indian restaurant. We come look inside. What they have today.
Oh.
Now we come to inside.
Oh, today Indian buffet.
Yeah, today India buffet and I think something good. Yeah, so today we lucky we get in the India restaurant, so we see the owner. Hi, what's your name?
Santosh.
Santo. Yeah, so how your business so far?
Yeah, now good now.
Now good now. So you have like the buffet
Yeah,
every day.
yeah, buffet.
Every day, nah? Yeah. So
When did you open this restaurant?
2019.
because you closed in the COVID,
Yeah.
right?
Ah,
Yeah, the COVID. So the one he started to do the business is 2019. So today we like to try some India restaurant, India food, and also you have a Thai food
Yeah, Thai food.
and Euro food.
Go Europe food.
Yeah.
Thai food, Indian restaurant, Indian food,
And
And this?
Euro foods.
your food,
Yeah. Burger,
burger also.
steak, pizza.
Pizza also.
And also you have the breakfast too, right? Yeah, they have a breakfast. Thank you very much. Very nice to meet you. Okay, ka. Roti.
Tandoor roti. Is this like naan?
Naan.
Naan.
Yeah.
Same?
Naan, we apply butter.
Like a naan bread.
Yeah.
Yeah, naan bread.
Naan we apply butter. For this no butter.
No butter. Ah, okay. This rice, na? Indian rice.
Yeah. Basmati rice. Basmati.
Basmati rice.
Paneer.
Paneer and yellow dal.
Curry?
Paneer.
Honey?
Yellow dal.
Yellow dal. I don't know the name.
Also, we have a Thai food too.
What type food?
We have a tom yum.
Tom yum, na?
Oh, tom yum looks good now. They have a seafood. Also the
Cashew nut.
and cashew.
Cashew nut.
And they're gonna have some and they have some
Sweet.
sweet.
Indian sweet.
Yeah.
What is the name?
Paisam.
Today we can see the kitchen too.
This is the roti.
For the roti or for the naan bread.
This one we make roti, naan.
After
Inside.
you make.
He will show you how to make
How to make naan bread. Oh, that's when you make your own, so you don't buy from store. Oh. For me, exciting because I never see how the India making, you know. That's done for one. It's kind of hard.
Naan base.
Mm.
Naan base banat hai.
It's good.
Paneer.
Honey.
Paneer.
Honey.
Honey.
Honey. That's good.
Oh,
All the machine from India.
from India.
Yeah. So, wow, that's why they look like a little strong.
Different?
Yeah, different. If you in Thai, it's gonna be little thinner, but this one little thicker.
Bigger,
So,
no?
yeah, see, and stronger.
Stronger.
Yeah.
Spicy, no?
Oh, so you can exclude
Masalas, all masala item. Masala. Masala.
any
Very spicy.
that's all the done with the Oh, you can do like with the fish, with the seafood.
Yeah, yeah. All you can make.
That's good.
Oh,
Yeah.
So
nice.
this one already done cooking, so that's look delicious. And this one chicken, and this bunny, and I'm gonna try one with the butter. That's Indian style, right? It's good with for the Thai food, but this one I think it's different spicy. Yeah.
Yeah.
แต่แล้วนะ
อร่อยอร่อย
อร่อย
The chicken.
big one
This is curry rice, no? Indian rice, Indian curry, no?
that's a sweet thing for dessert.
Paisa, paisa. They call it in India paisa. Paisa.
Paisa. That's name paisa. I would like to try. It's good. Not that too sweet, but it's sweet, but not really, really sweet. Good. Okay, so now we finished, and my stomach is full. The food is very good. Absolutely, dessert is good. Like a little evening is good. Thank you, my friend. I'll come see you next time.
Okay.
That food is very good. So now I see my favorite is the chicken curry.
Mutton curry.
Mutton curry next time.
Next time.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Eddie, for watching.